man gonna do. But I am shocked with the Larry Hoover. Larry's almost out of here. He's almost out of here. So it just makes sense to let him go. You know what I mean? Like he can't go work. He can't go do nothing. Like he's just gonna be a granddad. And mind you, so I like the fact that he let him go. There is more political prisoners in jail that needs to be released. That's been there for decades since the '60s. I would have hoped Trump let them out because they can't do nothing. They're in geriatric stage. NBA Youngboy, I was a bit confused though.